Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Simi, and on this channel we get to talk about beauty, fashion, luxury, lifestyle, and all things that make me feel fabulous. And if this is something that interests you, make sure you subscribe. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing for you, an unboxing of a bag I recently purchased while I was away in Europe. So this bag has been on my mind for so long and I couldn't resist it, so I decided to take the plunge. So if you're interested, let's go ahead and unbox. So this is the bag in its beautiful carry-on. It's a Dior bag. FYI, I've actually unboxed it because I had to use it a week ago. So it's not a true unboxing, but we're going to still go over it as an unboxing video. And we'll do a quick review, what I think about the bag, and if the price point makes sense, and all that good stuff. All right, so like I mentioned, it comes in a very beautiful box from Dior. Dior is really good with their packaging. If you know anything about Dior, they take time to create a nice unboxing experience for you. So the detail on the box is well thought out. The packaging is stunning, so it's really nice. It also came with a ribbon, which I already took out because I unboxed it. And yeah, and I believe this box is probably a seasonal box, maybe, not sure. And anyway, so the bag comes in a nice white dust bag, which is typical of Dior bags, as you can see. And yeah, moment of honesty. So this is what we're looking at. I think you already know what it is. Yes, it's the Dior saddle bag. Look how pretty this bag is, and it's grain in texture. So if you're able to see the grain, and the gold adwell is very nice. It's pretty much like a jewel. So if you're like wearing like a nice outfit, it would definitely give your outfit a nice uplift. It's a really nice bag. I think I got it in Latte, which is like a white color, and I'm really pleased that I went with this color because it's very nice, very chic, very sophisticated, and very like easy to wear in terms of going with a lot of outfits. So yes, this is what the bag looks like, and I love the fact that the gold adwell just sits really nicely and just screams, yeah, jewelry. So yeah, that's that. So backstory, I wanted this bag for so long, for almost 2 years, but I kept pushing it out because I was not sure if I wanted it truly because I wanted it or because it was just something that was trending. And for the last 2 years, I would go into the Dior boutique and play with it and then put it right back because I was like, no, I don't want it. I think it's just a moment. I would get over it. But sadly, I wasn't able to shake it off. So I would go there, and after a while, the SA actually knew who I was because I'm like, oh, you're back to see the saddle bag. I couldn't come to terms with buying the bag. Probably because I felt it wasn't practical because of the shape. It looks like an organ, which I'm sure a lot of people already think that way. And I would push it back thinking, oh, it's a trendy bag. It's not going to be here for a long haul. It's just here for trends. It's not a classic bag. So I did this for a year and a half, or close to 2 years. So I said, okay, seems like this bag truly wants to come home with me, and I'm just not giving in. So at the time that I used to go into the boutique, it was about $3,800 USD, and I was like, no way I'm paying that much for a bag that it's not even as practical as my other bags. I pushed it off, and guess what? They increased the price. The price went to $4,200 before tax, by the way. So we're talking about $4,500, give or take, depending on the state, to pay for this bag. I was like, okay, certainly not going to get this bag because I couldn't come to terms to buying it at $3,800, and now it's $4,200. Miss me with that. It's certainly not going to be a bag I'm going to put into my collection, but I couldn't shake it off because every time I would go into the Dior boutique, I would go to this bag and play with it, and I'll walk away. And I kept doing that for so long that the SA already knew who I was. So I said, listen, I just need to get this bag and get it over with and then move on with my life. So an opportunity obviously came around. So I was in Paris over the holiday season in December. So I took advantage of that by going into the Dior boutique. But before even going, I'd reached out to them to let them know that I would be stopping by. Can they reserve a brand new Dior bag for me, this color and all the specs? So they were able to do that for me. So upon arrival, it was just ready to go. And I was able to get this bag for, I think, $3,200, which I know it's a steal because in America, when I wanted to get the bag years ago, it was $3,800 USD. But by the time I was ready to buy it, it was already $4,200, which is $4,200, which is currently the price at it. They have it right now. So I was like, oh no, I'm not paying $4,000 for this bag or $4,200 for this bag before tax. So with tax, we're probably getting close to $4,500. I got it at the airport too, so that made it even much of a sweeter deal because I didn't have to go through the VAT process where they would have to give you back the money after a few weeks. So it was pretty much paying no tax from the jump. So it was about 3,000 euros, which was like $3,200, like I said. And it was just the perfect bag. I don't feel like I didn't make a right decision because it was a steal, and I really like the bag. It's very pretty. I think it's gonna go well with most of my outfit because I tend to wear a lot of neutral colors. And the good thing about this bag again is that now they come with straps. So in the previous years they came with no strap, so you would have to buy the guitar strap, which is about $800, and it's a good buy. I just didn't feel I needed to buy it at the moment, but it came with this strap as well, so I would just literally put the straps on the seat to kind of make it like that. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. So I'm just trying to get the strap on the C, so that way if you wanted to wear it as a crossbody, you're able to do that. Or if you want to wear it more casual, you can just put it like this, and you can obviously wear it on your shoulder as well. Obviously I can't do that because of the kind of blouse I'm wearing, but this is a really nice beautiful bag. Just want to bring it up close for you guys to see the detail, the nice gold adwear, and the leather is really nice. Because it's white, I wouldn't want to wear it with something that would have the possibility of it doing a color transfer, so meaning like a dark blue denim or a black denim. So I would probably wear lighter colors when I carry this bag. In terms of opening the bag, so it has a magnet opening, so you pretty much would just do that and then you put your items in there. It has okay, so I guess this is maybe the authentication card. It has a nice zipper to the side and what have you. So yeah, typically I think it's best to just carry it from here to open it, so that way, you know, you don't kind of destroy the bag. So yeah, the only thing I'll say is that sometimes when you open the bag, you know, it can get stuck around the, you know, the adwear. So that's only one flaw that I've picked on it. And yeah, but overall I'm really pleased with the buy. It's a good deal, so I would say yes, consider it. And if you want it, go into the boutique and check it out. I'm glad that I made this buy so I can actually move on with it. Some would say it's not practical because of the shape, but I think it's suitable for like an evening or something very light of a casual day. If you're not going to be stuffing a lot of stuff in there, the basics will fit in there, like your wallet, your lip gloss, your powder, your keys, gum, and the basics. Obviously maybe your phone, depending on the size, it might not fit in properly, but I think if you put the bare minimum, you should be fine. So yeah, anyway, so this is the bag. Let me know what you think. Will you buy it? Do you think it's practical? Do you think it's a silly buy? And if you already have it, let me know how you feel about it and if you're enjoying yours and what you think about this color in general. But I'm really pleased that I got this bag because it's been on my mind for 2 years and I needed to shake it off, and I finally took the plunge and I'm glad that I did that. So yes, anyway, so that's all for the review, and I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you and have a good one.